execution of the warrant. Sabi dito, the head of the office to whom the warrant of arrest was delivered for execution, meaning dun sa chief of police, shall cause the warrant to be executed within 10 days from receipt. So, merong time period po no na pagka-receive po ng chief of police sa arrest warrant na galing sa korte, they must act immediately, no? Execution shall cause the warrant to be executed within 10 days from receipt of the warrant of arrest. Now, within 10 days after the expiration of the period, the officer to whom it was assigned for execution shall make a report to the judge who issued the warrant. In case of his failure to execute the warrant, he shall state the reasons therefore. So, papadalahan ngayon ng korte ang chief of police ng copy ng warrant. Pagka-receive po ng chief of police ng kopya ng warrant, kailangang i-serve nila ang warrant of arrest sa loob ng 10 araw. Paano fiscal? Sinerve nila pero hindi nila mahanap yung akusado. Walang problema yan kasi they have done their duty to serve the warrant. So, after 10 days, they must return the warrant to the issuing court. No? Isusoli nila yung warrant dun sa korte, and then dun sa warrant na isusoli nila, mag-a-attach sila ngayon ng report na they will explain there bakit hindi nila nakita yung akusado or ano bang dahilan kung bakit hindi na-serve yung warrant of arrest sa person named in the warrant. Ang tawag dun, return of the warrant of arrest. Question, nag-expire ba ang warrant? Kung sinuli na ba yung warrant sa korte, ang ibig bang sabihin dun hindi na maa-aresto ang akusado? The answer po is no, no? Kahit na po meron ng return ng warrant dun sa korte, the warrant of arrest does not expire. For as long as the accused has not been arrested, kahit 10 taon pa yan, kahit 20 years pa yan, nakapending yung warrant, valid and effective yung warrant. Ang purpose lang po ng pagsaoli ng warrant is para gumawa ng report ang police na hindi nila na-serve ang warrant. So, ang isa-serve po ng korte after the original warrant is returned, the court will issue an alias warrant of arrest. So, like what I said a while ago, kahit ilang taon pang hindi makita yung akusado, nakabinbin pa rin yung warrant of arrest. At any time of the day, pwedeng ma-serve ang warrant of arrest. What if fiscal? Ang isa sa mga pulis na alam na niya no, na may standing warrant na yung akusado, wala siyang dalang kopyang warrant of arrest, pero nakita niya, meron siyang citing dun sa akusado kung saan nagtatago. Pero wala siyang dalang warrant of arrest. Question, pwede ba niyang arrestuhin ang akusado kahit wala siyang dalang warrant at that time he saw the person to be arrested? Pwede. Kasi may personal knowledge na siya of the existence of the warrant. Pwede bang tanggihan yung akusado na, oh, you cannot arrest me because wala kang dalang warrant of arrest? No. Dahil ang nakasaad lang dito sa rules, let us read the rules. The officer need not have the warrant in his possession at the time of the arrest. But after the arrest, if the person arrested so requires, the warrant shall be shown to him as soon as practicable. So, pwede pala, no? Kahit walang dalang kopya ng warrant yung police officer na mag-aaresto, he need not have the warrant in his actual possession at the time of the arrest. Pero, after the arrest, tapos gusto talaga nung akusado na, show me the warrant. Then, obligado na siya ngayon na kumuha ng kopya ng warrant para maipakita niya sa taong inaresto niya.